bolts are removable. show you a little bit of what not to do on this. Yep, it's broken. God damn it. Ah, so this bolt on the side here does hold the light. Shoot, there's a 10mm bolt on the side, and that holds the light, so I broke it. Now I'm going to have to take that piece of plastic off and see if I could epoxy it or weld it to there. So you're going to learn a little bit of what not to do, which is fine. So right there in the bottom, broke that bracket, but I'll just epoxy it. So on this side, we're going to take off the 10mm right here. I don't think I'll ever forget that now. There it is. That's the clip I broke on the other side, so don't make the same mistake.